hearsay. What is it? Is it the truth? Is it a fact? Is it somebody else's opinion? Is it media influence? What is it? How do you know what the truth is? How do you find peace in the truth? Or how do you find truth in your peace? There are things that we are informed of from the media, and you might have 3 or 4 different media sources telling you what the truth is. But what is it? Have they taken anything out of context ever? My dad used to always say, believe half of what you see and none of what you hear. So marinate in that thought for a moment and see if you have peace about what truth really is. Hopefully, people will form their own opinion and they will get facts about whatever the situation is, whether it's, any of the touchy subjects. I don't even want to say anything because then I might be accused of something. I'm just me. I live in my own little world and I like it there. It's peaceful. I listen to internet radio. I watch streaming television. I don't read the newspaper. I try to avoid all media sources for news information. I just find them all to be bogus and offering their own opinions. Not even offering, interjecting. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a Piece of Me moment. Have a peaceful day.